Now, welcome to another episode of Make Money on Life. Of course, you're right here on Nextland. So, welcome today, guys. Today, I'm going to be talking about something very simple and very special at the same time. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create two PayPal accounts with a single details. Like, okay, it's me, I'm Olawale Yusuf. Of course, I don't have two details. So if I want to use my details to create a PayPal account, of course, I have to be able to create just one account. But don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create two different PayPal accounts, verify the two different PayPal accounts with the exact same details, the exact same bank, the exact same name, and of course, the exact same details. The only thing you have to change is probably just a phone number because obviously you can't have the same phone number on two different accounts. So because you might want to receive payment through your phone number. So the only different thing there is the phone number. Apart from the phone number, you're going to be creating two different PayPal accounts with the exact same details, exact same bank accounts, and of course, you're going to be verifying with the exact same details. Now, let's get started. Or you still doubting? Come on. I know you've got the doubting spirit, but let's get started and create this thing. Okay, before we go, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, guys. Smash the bell icon so whenever I drop great how-to videos like this, you'll be one of the first people to get started, watch the video, and of course, start making impact with the video. Now, let's get over to my screen and get started. Okay, so I already have this PayPal account. It's a personal account, actually. So it's a personal account. And now, what we want to do is we want to create a different PayPal account with the exact details of this account. Okay, so I'm going to be going over to the wallet first. Why I'm going over to the wallet is because I want to show you something. I want to show you the last digit of the bank that's linked to it. You can see it's 9109. I'm going to be showing you the exact bank which also ends with 9109 when I'm going to be linking it to the new PayPal account we're going to be creating, so you can be sure that I'm using the exact same details, because I can't definitely show you all the bank details. Okay, I can't, but I'm going to show you that it's also in the 9109. Obviously, this different bank account can never end in the same four numbers, never. Okay, now how do we do this? We're going to go back, we're going to go to settings, we're going to click right here which is say settings, then we're going to come right here. Now this is account settings. I'm going to show you the name on this account. I'm not going to show you the full name for security reasons. I'm just going to show you, should I show you first or last name? Whichever. Okay, I'm going to show you one of the two though. I'm trying to secure this account for the owner because this video might blow out of proportion. So this is the name. Okay, the first name is root. I covered the second name. So we're going to be seeing me enter root when I'm creating the new account. So let's just leave it that way. Now, what do you do when you get here? When you get straight here, we're going to scroll down, all the way down. We can see here where it says close your account, and before it says unlock new features like express checkout, upgrade to a business account. Now this is what we want to do. Now we want to create a different PayPal account. Okay, so this is a personal account, so we want to create another account which is a business account. We're going to be using this exact same details, but we're not going to be creating it outside. We're going to be creating it right from this PayPal account. So just to tell people that it's the same person that owns the two accounts, so the PayPal could accept the exact same details because of course it's the same person that owns the PayPal account. So that's the trick. Now let's go over and do it so you can be sure that what I'm telling you right here is the truth. Now let's come right here and click upgrade to a business PayPal account. This is not my PayPal, so now this is where it gets tricky. Okay, so right here you're going to get this pop-up that says you need a business account. Create a business account, which is open a separate PayPal account for your business. Okay, log into your business account with a new email address. And the second one says upgrade your account, upgrade your existing account, and use it to manage your business. Now, if you choose this second one, you're not going to be able to have a different account. They're just going to upgrade this particular account to a business for you. So you're still having just one account. Now, so you're not going to be clicking that, we're going to be clicking this one so we can create a separate account. Okay, we're going to be using our same details, but we're going to be creating a separate account. Now let's go over and click continue. Okay, so let's hold. Okay, right here we already have our details. Okay, we already have it right here. Okay, so now all we have to do right here is to start putting in the exact same details we put in the first PayPal account. Okay, the exact name, the exact first name, and the exact last name. That's just what we need. So right here, I'm going to be starting with the exact name of the person. Also, like I told you earlier, the first name is Ruth. Okay. However, I'm not going to be showing you the last name for security purpose. Okay. So I'm just going to scale through the rest, and the email address. I'm going to scale through it. Just give me a minute. Now we click create. Now it's sending a confirmation code to the new email account that we just used. Okay. Now that's a new email account, of course, you know, right? We're not using the exact email of the old one. Well, I just put in a new email address, of course, and I put the exact same name. So the only thing I changed is a new email address, because obviously this is a new PayPal account. It's a different PayPal account, okay? Don't make the mistake, guys. Now let's go over and check if we've got we've got a code from the new email address. Okay. 124641. Submit. 124641. Oh, I make a mistake. Okay, it says you are all set. So I'm expecting to get into the PayPal account. Now, this is just like you creating a new business PayPal account. So you just have to fill it regularly. You can always skip this. You can always skip this process, okay? Just click on skip. But most of the time, I like to just do it as I go. So I'm just going to click let's go. So here is where a lot of people make mistakes. When you're creating a business PayPal account, of course, I'm still going to do a video about how to create a business PayPal account, but let me just use this medium to explain this little thing. When you're creating a business PayPal account, when you don't have details like you don't have an LLC or something registered, always choose the individual method. Okay, a lot of people make mistakes because they simply choose another option. You simply choose like come right here. They simply choose something like the company or the non-profit. They believe that this kind of method might enable them get more payment or something. No, choose the individual. By choosing this, you don't owe PayPal any obligation to give them any LLC or whatever registration business document. You don't owe them. Okay, so just choose the first one, which is the individual. Okay, and click next. So right here, we're going to be entering the same details, the exact details of the exact first PayPal account. We're going to put in the exact date of birth, the exact street or address, and many more. So just give me a minute. Okay, guys, so I have filled all this up with the exact details of the old one. So I'm just going to click next. Okay. This details is so similar to the first one, so I'm not going to be putting in right then, so because of security reasons. Now, what your business is called. Most time I like to just select use your first name and your last name. It's easier. Like the best thing. It makes you look like you real. It gives some form of realistic by paper, because paper believes that in as much as you don't have a business that is registered, then you should definitely not have a business name. Okay, so if you come right here and put in a business name, you're telling people that you're have a business name, so definitely you should probably register a business, isn't it? But if you come out and just use your first name and your last name, you just tell people that yes, you're just some upcoming person that's trying to do business, trying to make money, but you don't have enough to register a business yet. So they will not even bother tracking or except you're receiving so huge amount of money. Okay, so just gonna come out and choose your first name and the last name. Okay, it's gonna put the name right there. I don't want it to show, that's why I just keep it off. Now, what's your trading name? Right here also you could put in your name, but just put one of your name, not just the full name. Okay, so I'm just going to put the roots that we took earlier. So then we come right here and we select the product or services that your business is offering. Most time I've always advised people to just choose services. So I choose professional services. Professional services like you're offering the services online. Maybe you're writing a book for someone, you're designing something for someone, stuff like that. And then after that, your monthly expenses. I always love to put these 10,000 to 50,000. Okay, 10,000 to 50,000. But sometimes you could just decide to use 10,000 only, $0 to 10,000, just to tell people that you're not partaking in any heavy transaction. Okay, do you have a business? Of course, you don't have a business website, But if you have a business website, you could put, but I'm sure you probably don't have a business website. Okay, so now let's go over to the business phone number. Now this is where you could use a different phone number, but don't worry, this particular, when you're creating a business account, PayPal is not sending you a code to the number. At least at the moment, they're never going to send you a code to the number, but maybe for future verification purposes they might send, so you should use a number that is verifiable. However, if you watch one of my few last videos that I did about how to actually log into your PayPal account without the number, then you don't have issues with this. But still, it's okay if you use a verifiable phone number. So I'm just gonna come right here and put in a phone number. Just give me a minute. So I'm gonna put in a phone number which is different from the one that is there. So like I said earlier, the phone number have to be different. Okay. Okay, now we're done with that. Then we'll come right here to where the business contact information. This can be a PO box. Since we are using our exact name for this account and it's not like we have a business name, then obviously we should be doing the business from our home, isn't it? Good. So I'm just going to come ahead and choose the residential address. Then we'll come right there and choose next. Okay, now right here it's asking us to just upload a verifiable document for the account. You can always skip this process, but I don't advise you to skip it. Just give them the ID for the account. If the name has a passport, use a passport. If it's a photo ID, use a photo ID. If it's a driver license, just put it. That's just all they need to get you started most of the time. So I'm just gonna click on I think I have a government something photo ID. So let's just choose this photo ID and we get it over with. So that should be all, and we click submit. Okay, saying something went wrong. I don't know why, but maybe I should just choose other government. Then I click submit. Okay, let's reload. Okay, I think it has gone through. Oh, it has gone through. It's just some network that's telling us to redo it. I think it's just some network issues. Okay, so now let's just go back to the home page and check. Let's go back to home page and check. Okay, now we are at the home page and our second PayPal account with the exact same details of the first account is ready. Okay, now all you have to do right now is just go over and link a bank account, of course, and verify it and get started. Or of course, you can also link the exact same bank account to the PayPal, which is very verifiable, and you get started. So that's it, guys. That's how you can create a different PayPal account, two PayPal accounts using one exact details. You don't have to be like, okay, I need another person's details, like maybe my brother's details, to create a different PayPal account or something. You can always create a different PayPal account with your exact same details. And don't worry, if your account is a business in the first instance and you want to create a personal account, is also easy. Just go over and get started from the start. Like, you don't need to do it from inside the PayPal account. You only need to do it from inside the PayPal account if you're trying to create an account from personal to a business. However, if you're just moving, creating a new account, if the main account is a business and you're creating a new account which is personal, don't skip a beat. Just create it normally the way you're creating a new PayPal account and putting the exact details. It's gonna go through. Now, this is not a goodbye, guys. Don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icons. Whenever I drop beautiful videos like this, you will be one of the first few people to get started. Now, this is not a good day, but it's a goodbye for now.